Hello guys, in this video we will discuss about automatic device management. Now we have a question that what if we want to update desired properties of hundreds of devices at a go? So of course doing it manually is not a good option. So we have something called automatic device management. And automatic device management, it has two parts, that is target devices and target content. So under target devices we will define the devices which should be updated, that is and of course we will not specify the list of devices explicitly, rather we will provide some query to retrieve devices which needs to be updated, and that query will be based on the tags information of device twin. And then under target content we will define or we will provide the changes in desired properties. Now what we want to do, so let's assume we have total 4 IoT devices registered in IoT Hub. Now 2 devices they are in Mumbai, 1 device is in Pune and 1 device is in Delhi. And of course this information, that is this city information, it will be there under the tags section of device twin, that is something like this. And now you want to update only those devices for which city is equal to Mumbai, and we want to add a desired property, that is send telemetry frequency is equal to 5 minutes. So instead of updating it manually, let's use automatic device management to update this desired property for these 2 devices, that is devices which are in Mumbai. And one more thing guys, there is something called metrics as well, but we will not discuss it in this video, we will discuss metrics in next video. But for this video we will focus on target devices and target content. And now let's go to the Azure portal. So again guys, we are in Azure portal and let's open our IoT Hub. Let's go to devices, and here you can see we have total 4 devices, and in the interest of the time I have already opened device twin of each of the device. So this is the device twin for device 1, and if you see for it under tags city is Mumbai, okay, and see this is our device 1, then this is our device 2, and again if you see city is equal to Mumbai, but for device 3 city is Pune, and for device 4 you can see under tags city is equal to Delhi. That means we have only 2 devices for which tags city is equal to Mumbai, okay. And now let's again go to the IoT Hub, and now let's create our configuration so that we can update desired property for the devices which are in Mumbai, okay. And now let's click on this configuration plus deployments, please follow my mouse, and under that let's say add, and let's select device twin configuration as we want to update device twin configuration. So let's give name to our configuration, so I'll say my config. Let's click on next, and if you see here we need to provide the device twin property name, that is property name under desired properties. So I will say properties dot desired dot, and here I will say telemetry frequency, and here we need to provide the value for this property, so I will say 5 minutes. Now let's say next. So here we need to specify the target devices, and under that first we need to provide the priority, and as you can read it says higher value indicates higher priority, so I will keep it 10. And this is the important thing, here we need to provide the target condition, that is target devices. So I will say tags dot city is equal to, I will say Mumbai, okay. So guys, observe 2 things, under target devices we have specified the list of devices through this query, and under twin settings we have specified the desired property which we want to add, okay. So Now let's click on this matrix, and again, as we discussed, we will cover matrix in our next video. So as of now, let's ignore it. So I will say next, and let's say create. Now on this page, let me just maximize this and let me collapse these columns. And let me expand this column, that is system matrix, and let me expand this custom matrix as well. So basically our configuration has been created, and the changes, those must have been applied to all the target devices. Okay, so let's cross check it. So this was our device 1. Let me simply say refresh, and if I go down, see this desired property, so it's been added. Again, this is our device 2 which has city Mumbai. Let me again say refresh, and again you can see this desired property has been added. But now let's cross check for the device for which tag city is equal to Pune is there, and this device should not have been updated. So let's cross check, and you can see under desired property we don't have the newly added desired property, and similarly under this fourth device as well, this must not have been updated. Now let's go to our IoT page again. So guys, observe this system matrix. So basically it will show the number of targeted devices and the number of devices to which that change was applied, but it may take some time for this data to get reflected. So let's wait for a few minutes. So we have waited for a few minutes, and now let's say refresh, and yes, you can see it shows 2 targeted and 2 applied. Okay, so that's it guys for this video, and in our next video let's discuss more about this custom matrix. Thank you.